Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Airplane Model Kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for kids aged 8 to 12, offering a fantastic blend of fun, learning, and a sense of accomplishment as they bring their own aircraft to life right before their eyes, making it an ideal choice for budding aviation enthusiasts and creative minds alike. Number 5. Foam Airplane Best Outdoor Toys. Experience a new standard in toy planes with our unique EVA foam design. This material is known for its durability, strength, and water resistance, setting it apart from ordinary styrofoam models. Ignite the joy of aviation in children with this fantastic glider. It's perfect for creative play in parks, backyards, or even indoors, ensuring safe and engaging fun for everyone. Watch it soar through the sky with its superior glide performance, reaching distances of up to 100 feet. Its perfectly weighted design promises endless hours of delightful flights and outdoor fun. Encourage hours of physical activity in the fresh air and break free from screens. This toy promotes overall well-being and rekindles the simple joys of outdoor adventures. Enjoy safe play indoors thanks to its lightweight design, and don't worry about damage. It's perfect for both outdoor adventures and indoor fun. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our friendly customer service is always ready to assist you, ensuring a seamless experience with our product. What we like. This foam airplane is built with a unique, durable EVA foam that can withstand impacts and water. It offers superior glide performance, soaring up to 100 feet, and actively promotes outdoor physical activity. If you're looking for a robust toy that encourages kids to get outside and play actively, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The model is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished model looks very realistic and is a great display piece. The kit includes all the necessary parts and tools for assembly. Number 4. Onysurui 3-Pack Foam Airplane Launcher Toy. Get ready for exciting outdoor adventures with this 3-pack foam airplane launcher set. Each plane features colorful LED flashing lights for added fun. These planes come with 3 DIY sticker themes: dinosaurs, rockets, and UFOs. Personalize your aircraft and let your imagination soar. Experience 2 distinct flight modes, parallel and rotation. Simply adjust the tail insertion point to switch between them for varied aerial acrobatics. Assembly is a breeze. Just insert the wings and tail, place it on the launcher, and pull the trigger for an exhilarating takeoff. It's simple enough for kids to operate. Made from high-quality ABS and foam, these toys are safe for outdoor fun. They can fly up to 49 feet, making them perfect for the yard, park, or beach. Looking for a gift? This set is ideal for kids aged 3 to 12, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It includes everything needed for hours of entertainment. What we like. This set features foam airplanes with LED flashing lights and includes DIY stickers for customization. It offers 2 distinct flight modes, parallel and rotation, adding variety to playtime. If you want a fun, interactive toy that offers visual appeal and customizable flight, especially for evening play or imaginative themes, this is the one. What people say. The model is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished model looks very realistic and is a great display piece. Number 3. Engino STEM Structures Building Kit. Discover the world of engineering by building 9 different structures. Learn about real structural principles through hands-on construction, going beyond simple block stacking. Enjoy building with easy-to-follow instructions and engaging content. This kit makes learning scientific principles fun and interactive, not like homework. This highly rated building toy is recognized as one of the best for sparking interest in technology. It's designed to ignite a passion for future STEM careers. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or science fairs, this kit is a fantastic present for any curious child aged 9 and up. It's also trusted by schools globally. Our patented system features unique components that connect in many ways, allowing for complex 3D models. Built with quality materials in Europe, it's designed to last. What we like. This STEM kit allows kids to build 9 different structural models, from bridges to buildings, teaching real engineering principles. Its patented snap-fit system enables complex 3D creations. If you have a child aged 9+ who is curious about engineering and enjoys hands-on problem solving, this kit offers an educational and engaging experience. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary parts and clear instructions for assembly. The finished model is detailed and looks realistic, making it a great display piece. It's a fun and engaging activity that helps develop fine motor skills and patience. Number 2. Erector Set Fighter Jet Model Kit. Unleash your inner pilot and construct your very own fighter jet. Are you ready to take on this exciting building challenge? Experience the satisfaction of assembling a highly detailed model. The finished piece is perfect for imaginative play or as a striking display. Our clear, step-by-step instructions make assembly straightforward. For an extra creative twist, feel free to design your own unique vehicles with the included parts. This challenging kit is an ideal gift for advanced builders of all ages, from teens to adults. It's a great way to test and hone your engineering skills. Enjoy quality time building together or embrace the solo challenge of creating something extraordinary. It's a fantastic way to boost creativity and problem-solving abilities. What we like. This is a challenging metal erector set designed to build a detailed fighter jet. It comes with clear, easy-to-follow assembly instructions, though it's best suited for advanced builders. If you're looking for a project that offers a significant building challenge and results in a cool display piece, this is ideal for older kids, teens, or adults. What people say. The model is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished model looks great and is a good size for display. Number 1. Lucky Doug Metal Airplane Building Toy Set. Unleash your inner engineer with this incredible metal airplane building set. It's designed for hours of creative fun and learning. Crafted from sturdy metal, this model is built to last. It can withstand enthusiastic play and won't easily fall apart, unlike plastic alternatives. Once assembled, this airplane is surprisingly large, making it a fantastic display piece. It's bigger than you might expect and perfect for any model enthusiast. Our clear, step-by-step instructions with diagrams make assembly a breeze. Everything is clearly marked, ensuring a frustration-free building experience for kids. This set is more than just a toy, it's a STEM learning tool. Kids will develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills while patiently assembling their aircraft. With its intricate details and accurate design, this airplane model is a prized addition to any collection. It's a tribute to real aircraft, built with passion. What we like. This metal building toy set features 258 parts for assembling a detailed model airplane, promoting STEM skills over approximately 5 hours. It's made of durable metal and results in a larger, impressive display piece. If you have a model enthusiast aged 8 to 16 who enjoys intricate assembly and wants a substantial, high-quality model to showcase, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The model is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished model looks great and is a good size for display. The kit includes all the necessary parts and tools for assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.